Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about handler.construct method, which is a try for the new operator in order for the new operation to be valid on the resulting proxy object. That means the target used to initialize that proxy must be itself have a construct internal method. So what we're gonna do is, let me show you, create a var, name it as monster1. Yeah, that's a pretty weird name for the function. And we will pass disposition. When we do that, we will use this keyword dot disposition equal disposition. So yeah, you can directly make without using this, you can directly put that, but for our majority of my viewers, they don't know those things, or they don't know proper ES6 JavaScript, so that's not a big deal though. And now what we're gonna do is, it will be function, sorry about that. And now we're gonna do this is create a const handler1 and made it to an object. Use the construct method, and inside it we will use target comma args. How do we do that? We will inside that use the log it on a console monster1 is called. So when you do that, it will happen. And now what we're gonna do is return new target user target method, which we created earlier here, from here. And inside that, what we're gonna do is put the spread operator and use args. So when we do that, it will spread that inside that operator. So now use another const proxy one, name it as proxy1 equals, use the new operator, use like proxy method proxy, and use inside that we will put monster1 as a function, as second as handler1 as an object. When we do that, it will be finished, but we need to see what inside that. So how we gonna do that is log it on a console. So use new, type proxy, inside that we will type, I think I just typed first, and we want to see this position. So when we do that, the monster1 is called and fixed. So hope you understand this video. If you have any problems, comment down below. And that's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.